In this video, I will show you how to add a video to a lesson in the Academy. To upload a video, open the desired lesson, click the plus button and choose Insert Video from the menu. Then go to the Upload section. Here you will find the following settings: a field for uploading a file, a thumbnail time, to a specific moment from the video as a preview that will be shown to learners. Enable controls. Learners will be able to adjust volume, switch to full screen mode, control playback speed, and use picture-in-picture mode. Enable autoplay. The video will automatically start when the lesson is opened, and enable download button. Learners will be able to download the video to their devices. After uploading a file and configuring the settings, click Insert Video. The video will be added to the lesson and playback controls will appear below it. If the download option is enabled, learners will be able to download the video via the three-dot menu. You can also adjust the video display scale. If needed, the video can be deleted by clicking the trash icon. You can also add embed videos from popular video hosting platforms using an embed code. I hope this helps and good luck with your Academy!